Hey guys, today we'll talk about some cheap panel for web hosting. One of you asked me to make a video and I made it, but it didn't record the sound, so it's unfortunately. But okay, I will explain. There's a lot open source panels, but um, really with a good feature panel cost money, and the most of the time it costs more than 20 bucks, 30 bucks, and this is a solution for if you got like if you're a web developer for your clients, or you got some few small websites, no small websites, if you got some your own websites and you want some cheap web panel to use really cool features, a lot of customization, and it supports with much more features like cloud linux if you want to, but it costs money of course, and it supports. Okay, so what we're going to do is go to the website ispsystem.com. We will press IspManger. They got a lot of cool stuff, products. You can see bill manager for billing your clients, IspManger, the web control panel, VM manager to open VPSs, DSI manager enterprise, DNS manager, IP manager, and core manager. Like a lot of software they developed. The only downside I know by them is the support tickets. When you get a register account and you get 3 or 5 free support tickets, and then it's cost really expensive for the support, but they answering really quickly, and if there are problem on their side they will return the support ticket. There's no issue by that. um, they're really helpful and nice, and sometimes um, there's like some bugs, but they fixing that. This panel like getting a lot of updates. There's 2 versions, as you can see in these websites. There's the light version that I'm talking about. It's really cheap, €4 per month or €40 per year or €60 for lifetimes. It's really cheap. It's like one game for that you're paying, and you get lifetime support, lifetime panel with 1 year update. um, there's the business one that costs €12 or 240 euros for lifetime. um, Now you can try it for trial. You'll see if you connect to it, because like it's for free for 2 weeks. If you don't like it, you can go to another panel, but if you like it, I think you could buy it really cheap. €4, it's nothing at all. I think it's even cost less than a VPS, or the same price for small VPSs. um, this panel support Debian 7 and 8, CentOS 6 and 7, and Urbeto 14, only the light one. It's important to be 64 bits OS system, so let's get started. We connect to your PuTTY or your KVM, and we just paste this line, and it's make a download of it, and then this line I need to put some. Okay, now it will tell you what to install: a beta version or the latest, or the stable version. The stable version, it's coming after few months or around after the beta version, and they're checking that everything is fine. We will go with this video on the beta version, so let's go with the beta, and now it will tell you what you want to install. We of course will go to IspManger, so we will press 1, and you got light version with recommended software, or minimal version, or business. We go with the recommended software, so we will press 1, and we will back to it when the install will be finished. Okay, so we finished the installation. Now we go to your IP address and port 1500. Username is root, and the password is the password of the root. we should agree to the license agreement. Okay, I will click here. Sorry. As you can see here, it's telling me I'm using the trial version and when it will be expired. I got the shell client over here. Let's see. Let's show you. Like, see how easy it is. Oh, it's not working in here because I got some problem with this VPS, but as you can see, there's a monitor about your disk space, the RAM usage, there's CPU load, background tasking, and access log, who was logged in, active season, which user is logged in correctly, and you can disconnect him right from this button. You can see here the CPU, it's telling you what's the status of it, idle, 90s, system and user, the disk space, the processes, you can see it all around here, the top command, how much the uptime the service up, software, the version of the Apache, SQL, PHP, Perl, and kernel. Here the changelog of the update of the panel. Let's get going. So we will go from here, trial version, and stuff and stuff and stuff. The changelog here, and here you can see all the updates that are occurring. There's a new feature that's going to be able to import users from cPanel. Sorry, here you can say the name of the server s1.example, that's what I'm written down, the server time zone, if you want to send bug reports and everything else. User setting, you can change the language of your panel, change the password for the root and access to it, whereas the page will be started. Here you can customize the colors of the panel, the logo, and the footer, and custom HTML. It's really cool. And IP addresses, you can create a template per user, like free package 1111111 if I want to enable them and stuff. And you can see here, here's the package. You can edit in here a lot of stuff from SQL. Here's a cool real thing, as you can see here, nothing installed. We install alternative PHP version, MySQL server, PHP myadmin, FTP server, mer server, everything in here. We will go with Pro FTP and can install it, spam assassin, clam mv, run cube after logic, and installing a web server. We won't go with prefork. You can install only nginx on the server. Okay, so after we install everything around here, let's move forward. As you can see, like I've talked about, install site builder for free, and Sophocles for 1 year per month for license. Here's system information, notification. If you can resolve it, you will try to resolve it automatically. Background task. Here is the firewall. As you can see, you can block even countries around here. Here's the services you can stop and restart and everything, like you can see here. The file manager is really great. You can see you can exit engines or everything to configure really easily. Here in PHP you can see this is the default one, and the alternative that we added. You can install extensions, as you can see, like mimikatch, opcatch and stuff. You can configure the Apache PHP really easily with the basic option. Change the time zone here, the execution time, max file size, maximum file size, and memory limit per user, logs, and everything that you want to. Here the web scripts. You can install like a lot of stuff, like Sophocles or something. Need to be installed on the server first and allow it for user to be installed. You can generate SSL, FTP mailbox. Let's try to open a user. Example. Oh, I can't, so I have to. Here you can see the packet that I had to, and you can see it's automatically done everything. In here you can change here the web client, mail, the domain. We just take this one for better using, and can log in to any user in your panel and go back to root, and let's install some web script, WordPress. So we're going to install the WordPress. And that's it, Mexico. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like, please press like and subscribe to my channel. If you got more questions about this panel, feel free to ask me, and have a great day and week. See you later.